Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website bonvion.com. I'm on a homepage and I really like this kind of monochrome design, monochrome clothing, very simplistic, which I understand that you focus on this kind of basics items, which is really appealing. So you have defined target customer, defined audience, defined niche, which is excellent. I love the free shipping, free express shipping, information on all orders, the top menu. Excellent, very user friendly, very conversion rate oriented as well. Okay, email address, so it's easy to contact you. Okay, free express shipping within the EU and easy and secure checkout. So this is also important. People can purchase a gift card. So obviously you are focused on selling gift cards. This is really good. I would just optimize the image, perhaps add something more unique. This is like a not the best image, kind of doesn't really go with the rest of your homepage. I know it's default Shopify gift card image, however it's not the best. I would just optimize it to match your branding a little bit better. Okay, I love this image, the link to the collection page, and a bit of information about you. So it builds trust, it builds authority, which is important for the conversion rate. Okay, the featured products look really good. I feel like they repeat themselves from other content, so perhaps you can show other items here as well. However, the footer looks great. You've got social media links, footer links, very, very nice. Remember to open all social media links in your tab so people you don't lose traffic from your own website when someone clicks on Facebook or on Instagram. The collection page looks great. You're consistent with the style of clothing, which is excellent. The product titles are SEO friendly and the images are unique and good quality. The product page is nicely optimized. You've got add to cart above default, got limited beta collection, issue apparel, and perhaps the okay, so this is the product title. This is the vendor, right? Or other way around? Or is this vendor? Is this because normally the vendor has got much smaller font, so it feels a little bit confusing. Okay, it shows the location of the visitor, which is excellent. I would just work on it. It feels a little bit confusing. If it's a vendor, it should be a really smaller font. If it's a product title, it should be focus of the product page. Otherwise, it just feels a little bit confusing. Confusion always kills sales. So remember to focus on the product page. Vendor can be secondary focus, so it doesn't have to be such a big font on the product page. The SEO score is 50 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. Google Snippet is optimized, although it needs a little bit more content. You repeat your brand name twice, which is not necessary because Shopify shows the brand name as default in the meta title, so you can just include this information up to 65 characters. Add more details. Not premium luxury shopping is very, very vague. You can add more details such as basics, simple. So specify what really sets you apart from other competitors. It will help you get ranked in more relevant search results and get you more relevant traffic, more likely to convert. So premium luxury shopping is just too vague to attract the right traffic, attract the right visitors who are more likely to buy. Also remember to add more characters, more content to meta description. You don't need to repeat brand name here, but add up to 165 characters to meta description. Add more content. Google loves written content, so blog posts, blogging regularly is really great for that. Remember to optimize your images with SEO-friendly alt tags. And you seem to have quite a large number of broken links, which can definitely affect your sales because If someone lands on your page and they can see 404 page constantly, it can definitely put off from shopping, put off from browsing further. Also, if Google cannot crawl your pages because it cannot access through working links, it reduces the number of pages being indexed in Google, which means there is less content to work with, and Google is not likely to put you in a lot of search results if there's not much to rank. Your website loads in almost 2 seconds, which is it's on the verge of not being user friendly. So remember to work on the content. Majority of the Shopify stores right now load under 1 second. So this is the new norm people are getting used to. So aim to fix any of those issues affecting your loading speed, because it might affect your sales, conversion rate, and definitely SEO. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.